welcome to my channel. I'm Mark, this is Mark's Mods, and today guys we are going to continue with our Lamborghini Miura build. So we are going to do stage 70 of Build the Lamborghini Miura, and we are going to be working on the radiator today. And guess what, we are actually going to be using the parts that were supplied in this stage, so that makes sense. The parts supplied in this stage are going to be used in this stage of the build. There we go. Hope that makes sense. So yeah, exciting times ahead. Not a lot to do, but yeah, it looks really good, and I'm really excited to be back on this build again. Really excited. Anyway, enough of me waffling on. Let's get on with the build today. So with all that said, let's get modelling. Okay, so in this issue we are going to be assembling and fixing the radiator panel. And we get to use today's parts, which is great, but we are using yesterday's 69s first. We've got the radiator here. Now, it wants us to note that on one side we've got a nice curve there. On this side we've got kind of a sharp edge there. I don't know what difference that's going to make, but apparently when we put it on, we need the sharp edge towards this side. Bring it into camera's view, that would help. And then we're going to do the same with the other radiator that we got in stage 70. So they are going to look like that. Okay. Next, what we need to do is we need the fan coverings, or the grills. I never get the parts right as they name them. These are just going to simply go over the fans. Just into some pins. Just like that. And just like that. Then we're going to turn this over and we're actually going to screw it in with two type B screws. Now I'll get them at the ready, because I'm going to have to hold this whole unit in my hand so that they don't fall out. So type B screws, one in here. Not too over tighten, of course. And then one just in here. Okay. Looking like that. And that's what we should have. Okay, next we need the back of the radiator grill. So I'm looking at it from, I don't think it really matters. But they've got it this way in the magazine, with these brackets here towards me, and we're going to basically put the back on. Again, I don't think it matters which direction it goes in, as long as it clips together without breaking. I'm always wary of this because pins just sometimes don't align up on these builds. Right, I believe I've got the bottom pins in, so I just need to get the top ones in. Now you see that's just done the opposite. That's got the other ones in but not the top ones, so let's try again. You know what I mean? It's a little bit yeah, it should go down further than that. Now let's try again. It should fit nice and flush. No. Let's see if it fits the other way around, see if this is directional. I think it is. I really do. I think there's definitely direction on this one, and there is, would you believe? That fits perfectly that way. Okay, perfect. Okay, so now we've got that together, we're actually going to bring our front frame across, because we're going to be fitting this. Now this is going to fit in to just in this front part here. Now with the radiators going in like that, it's going to fit in just like so, and then we've got some screw holes. They're very hard to see, but they're way down in there, and we need to screw this in with 2 type S screws. Now this is definitely going into metal, so I am going to get my 3-in-1 oil out. Here we go. So we need 2 type S screws. Try and get it in. I'd advise a thin screwdriver for this job. Really is, it's not the easiest position to put a screw in, and I don't want to cross thread it either, but that is taking some bit of welly to get in. Wow. Okay, now the other one. Okay, I'll get this one in. It is a very tight area to get in, but that's in. That is in. Wow. That was extremely, very small area to get them in. But that is in. That is complete. I'm just looking to make sure it looks correct. Which it does. Yes, everything looks correct on it. And I'm really happy with that. So that is all there is to do in that stage. That is stage 70 complete. Well guys, that's it for stage 70 of the Lamborghini Miura. Thank you for tuning in. Nice quick issue. I didn't realise that back panel for the radiator had to go in a certain way. I should have really double checked it, but it's gone in now. But them mesh screws, they were very small area to get in, so I would definitely recommend a small, very long and small screwdriver to put them into. My wearers did it absolutely perfectly, but still, and you had to really put a little bit of power behind it as well to get them screws in, because you were screwing into metal at the end of the day. So but I'm pleased with it. I'm really chuffed. Onwards and upwards to 3071, that's all I'm going to say. And yeah, hopefully I'll see you on the next video. So if you like this guys, please could you give it a massive thumbs up. If you haven't already subscribed, please remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell and you'll be notified of any future videos. But as for always, stay safe and bye for now.